Kateřina. Jsem učitelka češtiny pro cizince and this is lesson number 8 from my 0 to A1 course in Czech. In the previous lesson, number 7, we've seen some people talk about where they are from and what do they do for work. And in this lesson, we will learn how to do this ourselves. But before we get started, go ahead and smash the like button so we can reach our goal to helping every foreigner in the Czech Republic learn to speak better and more fluent Czech. And now take a pen, print out the exercises from the link down below, and let's get started. Before we get to the practical stuff, we need a bit of a background. In Czech, we have several grammatical cases. That is something I will explain you soon in one of my videos. But for now, it is only important that you know that because of these cases, the endings of words in Czech change when you're using them in specific positions of the sentence. Example, I'm from the Czech Republic wouldn't be já jsem z Česká republika, but Česká republika would change its ending z České republiky. Let's have a look at the system. Let's start with countries that in Czech end with letters IE, like Francie, Itálie, Anglie, Austrálie. Are you from one of these countries? Congratulations, because then there are no changes in the endings. You don't need to change anything and you simply say jsem z Francie, jsem z Itálie, jsem z Anglie, jsem z Austrálie. But if the country where you're from ends with the letter A, like Amerika, Ukrajina, the ending changes from A to hard I. Jsem z Ameriky, jsem z Ukrajiny. If the country where you're from ends with the letter O, like Německo, Rusko, Skotsko, Španělsko, Rakousko, Finsko, then the O changes to A. Jsem z Německa, jsem z Ruska, ze Španělska, z Rakouska, z Finska. Spanish people, careful. You don't say jsem z Španělska, as it is really uncomfortable to say z Španělska. We add one vocal to the prepositions and we say ze Španělska. And finally, if the ending finishes with consonant like Vietnam, Iceland, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Laos, you're not changing anything. You're just adding you in the end. Jsem z Vietnamu. Jsem z Islandu. Jsem z Azerbajdžánu. Jsem z Kazachstánu. Jsem z Laosu. And what about countries that have an adjective in their name like Czech Republic or Great Britain? Well, the adjectives have a specific change as well. The long A, Česká republika, for example, will always change into the long E. So Česká republika becomes jsem z České republiky. And Velká Británie turns into jsem z Velké Británie. Have we covered your country, or if you're from somewhere where we haven't talked about, are you sure now if you know the ending well? Let me know in the comments down below. I will answer every single one. Now let's practice. Go to exercise number 1 in your exercise sheet. Here you will see several famous people. Your task will be to tell me where are they from. Focus on using the correct ending. For example, you will see the name Angelina Jolie and you should write next to her Ona je z Ameriky. Or just simply je z Ameriky. If you're still a little struggling or need some more practice with personal pronouns ona, on, or the verb to be, sloveso být, go ahead and jump back to lesson 5 and 6 to practice those before continuing. Pause the video now and complete exercise number 1. Have you finished? Now here are the answers. Great! So that was speaking about nationalities. And how about the profession? What do you do? Co děláte? Co děláš? Answering this is very simple. You will use the verb to be and say, I am a manager. Jsem manažer. Jsem manažerka. In Czech, you adjust the ending of the profession according to the gender, such as manažer, male, manažerka, female, or fotograf, fotografka, investor, investorka, student, studentka. There are a few exceptions that don't follow this rule and have a little bit of different ending. We will cover those in one of the next videos. For now, just be aware that you're maybe gonna come across with some other endings as well. Now, you should already kind of know how to correctly use the ending of your home country and how to correctly say your profession. So, now your final task in this video. Go ahead and pause this video, scroll down and write me in the comments down below the answer to this. Odkud jsi? A co děláš? For example, jsem z České republiky a jsem učitelka. If we didn't mention your country or profession, then jump to the Google dictionary and find the name of your profession and home country, and then use the rules from this lesson to find the correct endings. So, odkud jste a co děláte? Nebo odkud jsi a co děláš? Your homework, as always, is to complete the homework section in your exercise sheet and complete lesson 8 in the online vocabulary app to practice all the Czech words from this lesson. Link to it is down below in the description. I hope you're enjoying learning with me. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And if you find this video useful, then go ahead and help the like button fulfill its profession to be smashed, liked and tapped. And if you would like to support this channel even further, help me produce more content, and to get more personal assistance from me along your journey to Czech fluency, feel free to support me on my Patreon as well. Link in the description. Keep learning, keep studying, and I will see you in the next video. Měj se hezky, díky a ahoj!